morning.
Morning.
Okay, before we start this class, let's stand up and stretch. Stretch. Okay, get the all good energy. Okay, let's get ready for the class. Okay, so today we're going to talk about two-step equation. So let's recall what happened last lesson. Last lesson we talked about one-step equation, which is equation that involves one type of operation. So can someone give me an example of a one-step equation? Yep.
5x equals 10.
5x equals 10. Okay, so our goal for any one-step equation or any equation in general is we're trying to look for the unknown, which is x right here. And the way we're doing it, we're trying to inverse the order of operation that we have. So let's go right here for a little recall. So we have pandas, which is our order of operation. We go from top to bottom when we do calculation. But since we're undoing our calculation, since we're trying to solve the equation, we're going from bottom to top. Okay, so we're going to divide this by 5. And then, so we're going to have x equals 2. Okay, so this is an example of a one-step equation. So moving on from this, we're going to do the two-step equation today. Okay, so we're going to start with an example, which is 5x plus 4 equals 19. So similar to the one-step equation, the way we're going to do it, we're going to identify the operation from left to right. So we first have 5 multiply x plus 4. Since we are trying to reverse the order, we're going to do addition. We're going to solve for the addition first. So can someone tell me what is the inverse of addition? Yeah, subtraction. Okay, so we're going to do subtraction. We're going to do subtract 4, subtract on both sides. And then we're going to have 5x equals 15. So now we're looking at this, actually it's a one-step equation, which is similar to what we had before. So can someone tell me what's our next step from this? Yep.
Since we have multiplication, I think we can use division.
Okay, so we're going to divide. And then we're going to have x equals 3. Okay, is this looking good? Okay, so whenever you come up with your variable, your number for your unknown, what we always want to do is always want to double check that our work is right. So let's just plug this back in real quick. So we have, let's do a quick calculation. So we have 5 times 3, which is
15.
plus 4, which is
19.
Yay! Okay, this is the right answer. Deserve a smiley face. Okay, let's move on. So let's come up with another more interesting example that might look different from what you've seen before. So we're going to have 4. Okay, so this is a more special example. So you notice that we have a parentheses here. So when we do normal calculation, we want to do the parentheses first. We want to solve whatever is in the parentheses first. But since we're doing a reverse of the order, we're going to leave whatever is in there the last. Okay, so if we look for the operation from left to right, we notice that this is actually just equal to 4 multiply y minus 1. So we're going to solve for the multiplication here first. So can someone tell me what's the inverse of that? Yep.
5 by 4.
Okay, divide by 4. So now we have y minus 1 equals 6. So here we're going to do
Addition.
yeah, we're going to do addition, and then that. So now we have y equals 7. So is this it? Are we done? Is there any? Yep.
We want to check our answer.
Yeah, we always want to check our answer. So let's put this back right here. So what is 7 minus 1?
6.
Okay, what is 6 times 4?
24.
Yay! This is a good one. Ready?
Here's the trick for a two-step equation. Keep in mind for the order operation. Now flip it around with no hesitation and take inverse into your consideration. You see addition, make it a subtraction. For multiplication, switch it to division. Remember, all inverses go both directions. Then you'll not be far from your destination. Now before submission, check your calculation and be sure your work is in good relation. If you have confusion, just ask two-step equation.